What's up, y'all? So I'm here at Radius Koreatown. Supposed to be touring an apartment today. I'm looking at my first studio in LA. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna show y'all what the studios are like, how much they cost. Full transparency for those who are trying to move out this way, like me. So let's see. So this is the outside of Radius Koreatown. The building is actually quite huge, and it's actually this building as well as the other building to the right. As you're looking at the street view, the street is really nice. A lot of people were out walking their dogs, but the area is called Koreatown. You can look it up to get a view of what it's like in LA. Some say maybe not the best area, but it is a nice apartment. It's one of those areas that for young people or people who are self-aware, it's better for that. Maybe not for people who are growing up with families. This is the initial building, the main building, with offices to the right as well as the mail room. You'll see my two compadres right here. This is the mail room. It's pretty nice, spacious. There's also another one in the other building, so you don't have to go to both. And there is parking garages in each. The parking is an extra $150 a month, and the apartment we're going to see is $2,100. It smells good, don't it? It really do. Conference room. Okay. Security office. Mail room. So this is actually the second building, as y'all saw there. That was the mail room and the entrance to it. I think it's nice because the elevators exit out to both sides, so you don't have to walk through the building. And the gym is popping. There's a gym in both buildings, which is really cool. It's cute. The hallway is a little dark. Or children. This is a studio, y'all. This is only $671 feet. Oh, this is actually what? This don't look small at all, really. Oh, shit. Right? Am I right or am I right? Oh, no, I like this. You could put a little with the balcony. The closet is not bad. It's kind of spacious. This is awkward, but it becomes like a little nook. You can put a little table here. Gives you some separation. This is like the living room. You put your TV. You have your kitchen, and then one of the other will become your bedroom. There's the bathroom. Hey, this is actually really, really cute. This is actually really cute. You guys, the dark cabinet. Let me turn the lights on. Nice. Let me see. Can I come? Whatever. A little balcony. This is nice. Right?
I like this.
Y'all like it?
Hell yeah.
You'll be next to your neighbors, but that's not bad. But you also have your private balcony too, which is really, really cool. And another closet. That's crazy. Thoughts? Drop a comment now. What are your thoughts? Watch it. With the screen door? This is so nice. That scared me. Y'all see that owl? Nice. and it's not out to a street, you know? Size fridge, full oven, microwave. Look at all the space. We're gonna see a one bedroom next. Look at this. The small washer, but that's okay. I really like this, guys. Oh, I really like it with a little table right here. This could be really cute. So I really like this studio. I'll put all the details for pricing on the screen and now. So this space will become like your living room. There's speakers embedded in the wall. You could block off kind of what's behind your kitchen and counter space behind the bar, and that would be your bedroom. And even that little nook part I was talking about could become your closet or an extension of the closet. So I think that's really nice that you kind of have your private balcony. This was nice because it was a corner studio. So I end up liking this one even better than the one bedroom, but we're about to see it now. This is the one bedroom. Somehow it's less square feet though. This is a little awkward. Wash and dry as soon as you come in with a light. Same idea. Probably about the same amount of storage, just a different layout. I think the dishwasher is definitely full size. Full size, which is different. Okay, right, you walk into the bathroom, period. It's pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, the same, just a little different of the setup, but this is cute because you could put a thing right here, like a shelving. I'm gonna make this really cute. So I believe this one bedroom is actually 100 square feet less. I'll put the details on the screen as well. But looking outside, you have a perfect view of the pool area. There's also like a grill and a fire pit. I thought that was super nice. I like the layout of the one bedroom. It gives you that separate space. It gives you that peace of mind. So when people come over, they don't have to be in your space. But overall, it is smaller than a studio, which is pretty surprising. But, you know, I think it's because the studio was a corner. Most studios, they also have junior bedroom, one bedroom suites. And look at how these windows open up to give you fresh air. So it's not a double balcony, but you kind of get your bang for your buck with the screened in bedroom. Like, bro, this is too cute. Get in the car from Nia. So at this point, Nia called. I really like the one bedroom as well. This right here will be your living room space, the bar stools, the kitchen is about the same size, just a different layout, like I said. I like the closet, but I think I like the closets in the studio better. The bedroom is a good size for just a bed, maybe a dresser, your TV. You don't need much, and I love the big windows in each. It's actually a really nice apartment, luxury for the area it's in, and you have the nice embedded speakers in this apartment as well. So y'all just be sure to drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Tell me what you think about the prices, and yeah, I think they're a little too high, too steep, but depending on the type of job you have or whatever, this is a cute area to live in. A little rough, but you know.